Hello, everybody. I'll be telling you 15 facts about planet Mars as part of a series where I tell you random facts about our solar system. I'll first tell you facts of Mars everybody might know as I go through the list. I tell you lesser known facts that few people might know about our red planet. So let's get started. So let's begin with the easy known facts of Mars. Let's start with 1. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. With Pluto included, Mars would be the 3rd smallest planet in the solar system, after Mercury. To repeat, this is with Pluto included because I like to include Pluto. Number two. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance. This is due to its rusty iron surface. Number 3. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. These moons are smaller, much smaller than our own moon, with their respective diameters being 22 kilometers and 12 kilometers respectively. 22 kilometers and 12 kilometers respectively. And these moons look potato shaped. Okay, no offense to those moons, but that's what these look like. Okay, number 4. Mars is about 228 million kilometers, or 142 million miles away from the Sun on average. Okay, that's simple. Everybody might know that about Mars, so yeah. And finally, number 5 in this easy known section. One day on Mars takes a little over 24 hours to rotate along its axis. Just over 24 hours. Taking around 24.6 hours, it is very similar to that of Earth's. Mars takes 687 days to orbit the Sun. Okay, so I explained 5 facts of Mars. Now the next 5 facts will be a little bit lesser known, and not everyone might know about this one, so yeah. Let's continue with number 6, okay. Number 6. Mars has a thin atmosphere made up mostly of carbon dioxide, argon gas, nitrogen gas, and a small amount of oxygen and water vapor. You will not be able to breathe this air without the spacesuit. Okay. Number 7. Mars has been frequently visited by man-made rovers, which explore the Martian surface and even take pictures of its terrain. So you could actually see the surface of Mars if you would Google it. Just Google surface of Mars and you'll see lots of pictures taken from rovers. Number 8. Mars has the tallest mountain in the entire solar system, with a height of approximately 25 kilometers and stretching more than 350 miles. It is almost as high as 3 Mount Everests stacked on top of one another, and it is around the width of the state of Arizona in the US, or around the width of France, approximately, to compare. Number 9. Mars is approximately half the size of Earth. Since Mars has a lighter mass compared to Earth, its surface gravity is weaker than that of Earth. So yeah, weaker gravity. So the surface gravity on Mars is only about 38% of that of Earth. Meaning if you would weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would only weigh 38 pounds on Mars. Number 10. The French name of the month of March is spelled the same as the planet Mars, except that the M is lowercase. March in French is pronounced Mars, le mois de Mars. Okay, so the final 5 facts of this video will be facts that probably a few people only know. Only few people may have known this. Okay, so these are a bit of a rare facts. Okay, so let's finish that off with number 11 through 15. So let's go with number 11. Mars sunsets appear different than that of Earth. If you would see the sunset from our planet Earth, the sun would take orange in color. I am pretty sure you've seen a lot of sunsets. However, if you would see the sun set on Mars, the sun would appear bluish instead of orangish. If that word exists. Number 12. Like Earth, Mars has 4 distinct seasons. However, due to Mars being farther than Earth, each season lasts about twice as long as each season on Earth. Additionally, the seasons are more hot/cold, whether if you're on the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere. When Mars is closer to the sun, the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and when it's farthest from the sun, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards it. And that is because that the orbit is eccentric and non-circular, and as a result, the southern hemisphere's summer is hotter than that of the northern hemisphere's summer. This also means that the northern hemisphere gets a much colder winter, while the southern hemisphere does not get as much of a cold of a winter. If you would live on the southern hemisphere of Mars, you would be very lucky to get a hot summer, but that's only in your dreams because you can't live on Mars. You can only live on Earth. Number 13. There was a project called Mars 1, which promises a few of the human population to take on a one-way trip to Mars. And I mean one way, which means if you go there to Mars in this project, you won't be able to come back to Earth. I would not take this trip personally, so. And this project seems to be scrapped and cancelled. So 2 more facts to go. Number 14. Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. The huge dust storms can last for months and cover the entire red planet. And lastly, number 15. There are actually pieces of rock from Mars here on Earth. If you are really lucky, you may have touched a Martian, a piece of material from Mars. So there are actually pieces of rock from Mars here on Earth. This is because when asteroids hit Mars in the past, it ejected debris into space, where a few of those debris entered the atmosphere of Earth and landed on Earth as meteorites. So here are 15 facts about planet Mars, given in ASMR format. ASMR format. I hope you have gotten your tingles. If you liked this ASMR fight video, please give this video a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. Comment down below any facts of Mars I did not cover. If you're new to this channel, I make ASMR fight videos like this one. I make coding videos as well as other ASMR formatted videos covering different topics like the backrooms, planet facts, and even dream stories. Dream stories as well. Okay, and so stay tuned for the next ASMR video. And peace out.